What is zipCPQ? CPQ stands for Configure, Price, and Quote, and it is a cloud-based application designed to help companies that sell configurable products. zipCPQ helps you define every possible configuration, price, discount, and scenario, and reduces the time it takes to create an accurate quote from hours to minutes. zipCPQ Configurator comes with built-in indexing for advanced search capabilities within the specific product family and over multiple product families. JavaScript-based rules provide lightning-fast performance and instant changes in the configurator. Selection options can be standard pull-downs with images, checkboxes, etc. The configuration process creates a valid part number in real time, which can be added to the shopping cart and sent to quote management module, etc. The zipCPQ configurator system architecture makes implementation quick and easy. It can be embedded as an iframe, implemented as a client-based script, or implemented as an e-catalog with full catalog navigation, product family pages, and part number pages. The pricing module enables the back-end user to add the base price for each part number. Depending on the pricing complexity, this can be done either by creating pricing rules, adding pricing tables, or combining both approaches. The pricing module can be connected to enterprise systems and pull the prices from ERP, PIM, etc. Once configured in the zipCPQ configurator and when the quote is requested, a configured product with configuration data is sent to the quote management system. In the quote management module, the sales team can see the quotes generated through the configurator and track their status. Discounting rules can be applied to different customer types, such as distributors, OEM customers, one-time customers, etc. The quote is shown as an HTML document or template where the salesperson can add or change the discounts and automatically create the quote ready to be sent to the customer. zipCPQ, your partner in business.